What's up, good people? Welcome back to the channel. Another look at the Turbo meme coin, which is literally turboing in price right now. So just want to do a quick update on this token as it's now sitting just above the $700 million market capital. And we can see, just looking at the price here over the 7-day period, bullish price action. Welcome back, by the way. Hope you guys are indeed doing very well with your day and having fun in the cryptocurrency space. Let me know any awesome plays you've had recently. Now, one thing we've seen here is the fear and greed. Today we're slowly ticking over into a greedy market again. We don't really want greed. We don't want extreme greed, not right now, because with Bitcoin being 67k and feeling boring, that to me is very bullish in itself. Now, Turbo's had a wild month, from lows of 300 million up to peaks of 800 million. It's done a 2.5x overall, but I still think there's still more room for upside potential here. And we can see, looking at the week, Turbo is actually the meme coin of the week. So really strong performance right here for the Turbo meme coin. Greatest 7-day performance. Looking at what's happening with Turbo, we can see recently new USDT trading pair has been added to crypto.com exchange. You can now see Turbo is accessible through the Crow exchange, which is a big bullish move, and this will open new eyes, more volume, and fresh liquidity into the Turbo community. Eternity is here and now, not in the same distant future. The Turbo community embraces each moment, building together. So this community is hot right now. It's vibrant. It's the meme coin made by AI for the people, and it is indeed moving up and up. So can this be that sort of next $1 billion play? That's the big question that I have for this token right here. 69 billion max and total supply, so that's a great thing. Firstly, we've got 65.3 billion circulating, leaving just under about 7-8% of the supply remaining, maybe even about 5%-ish remaining to be injected into the ecosystem. So that's something that we can also look out for in the future. Now, just want to look at Turbo and what recently happened, because when we look at the daily here, you can see every time that Turbo has this red vertical line, the price does plummet back down, and that's usually when that daily RSI gets heated up, and we can see that daily RSI is just tapped into that 80 right now. However, on the weekly time frame, it's still not looking that bad in contrast to how it did before. So looking at the weekly, before we had some really interesting RSI movement, and it was also going up. It was the uptrend. The trend was up here, which would make you think, well, actually, can it not get to 90 on the RSI at its peak? Could be a possibility, but when it gets to 80 on the weekly RSI, I would be personally looking to take some profits off of the table, because the risk to reward ratio is no longer worth it. It's overbought, there's a lot of greed, and there's a dump risk. So looking over at this, we've had great continuity over the last few weeks. We've had loads of green candles, and what we are seeing now is potential consolidation and another leg to the upside. It could happen, ladies and gents. We could see another pump to the upside here. So the coin moved wildly. We're just going to have a look at this. Look at this pump from 0.00085. We went up 60%. Small corrective phase here to the 0.618 fib, which just gives you the 0.01, which is now quite a psychological sort of region because of the support there. You don't want to add another zero back in. We can see it is starting to sort of create this falling wedge effect, and it is almost starting to slowly break out of this falling wedge effect. If we get this upside play take place for Turbo, we could see an absolute massive move to the upside. And we're even just talking about, just like a 1618 move, another 44% move to the upside on the bullish scenario. Of course, bearish, we could still correct back down to that 0.008 region of support, where maybe it's a good buy-in opportunity. But yeah, right now we need momentum, we need sentiment, we need community, we need FOMO, and overall volume. We need to see those volume figures still on the up. And just looking at the volume here on the 4-hour, it is dipping down a bit. Looking at the volume on the daily, dipping down ever so slightly. And looking at the volume on the week, tremendous volume over the last few days. Lots of big buys and tons of good volume on the buying side. We're seeing more buys over 24-hour periods than sells, which is effectively a strong recipe for an uptrend over there. So yeah, guys, Turbo is looking sweet. If we do get this breakout, we could be moving up to the 0.0148 region. Not financial advice, but it might indeed happen. So keep your eyes peeled on it. If you're looking to buy some Turbo, you can use exchanges like Blowfin, which is a new partner here on this channel. They've got some very unique features like copy trading. They've got trading bots, loads of sort of staking opportunities as well. If you do want to stake on the platform, platform, and it's globally accessible and no KYC. So check out Blowfin today, and the first 50 users that sign up and deposit $100 will be entered into a $500 giveaway. So you've got a 2% chance of winning. Yeah. So guys, just want to say thanks so much. If you're new here, also check out Jacob's Crypto Clan, my Patreon group, if you want the VIP benefits in the Discord channel to hopefully achieve time, location, and financial freedom. And thank you for all the new and existing sort of patrons, subscribers, viewers. Let me know what you think is going to happen next with the Turbo coin. I mean, it's looking pretty hot. Is it not? See you soon. Remember, this isn't financial advice, and subscribe if you're new here. Like the video, share it with your friends. Peace.